Okay, let's create an email for our employees. We are going to do what? Use the concat function. Concat. Then we want to join these two names together to create the email. The first thing we're going to do is to lower the names. So we are using lower function to get the lower case value of those names. Then for the second one, of course, we want to add dots at the middle of the names. Then the third one is this last name now. That is also what we are going to use lower to get the last name, small letter. And the fourth text that we are joining is at company at company.com. Let's just leave it at that, the name of the company. And yes, we have created an email for our employees. So the second one we are going to talk about is the full name. For our full name, we are going to be joining the first name and the last name together using what? The text join. We're going to use the text join. So for this, it's asking for the delimiter. What do you want to use to separate them? And of course, we want to separate the names using space. So do we want to ignore? Yes. We want to, of course, let's include it. It depends on you. Anyone you want, not bad. So the text one is what? This. And the second text is the last name. And that is it. We have all what we need. We have successfully created email and the full name using combination of words of different functions. If you like this, don't forget to give me thumbs up and drop comment for me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.